have not been to yet is Vermont and Alaska. Now let's get into the good stuff, Maine. Very beautiful area, even though it's foggy and rainy today. Very beautiful area. Another good thing, the speed limit is not 65 or 60 or 55 like the other, what do you call, like the other East Coast states. The speed limit here is 70. Less traffic right now, but bad news is you do have a toll to pay on going to 95. And on top of that, guys, what did I want to say? The fuel prices, unfortunately, will be East Coast Democratic fuel prices. Now, the good news is the loans usually pay good to go to Maine. Coming out of Maine, guys, might have an issue, just saying. Like any East Coast state. Doesn't matter if you're in upstate New York, New York City, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, you're going to have a problem coming out of the East Coast states. Now, about Maine, what I do got to say is that truck stops, there is no major truck stops. Now look, the trucker path, and there's absolutely no major truck stops in Maine. The major ones is basically a Circle K, and that's about it. So you're gonna have to deal with it. Make sure your fuel card works at Circle K and you're good to go. Mine does. So you got a lot of those mom and pop truck stops, not a lot of big ones. I do hope someday a big truck stop will be in Maine. Closest big truck stop, if you're a steering wheel holder and you need a big truck stop to park at, the closest big truck stop is the TA on 95 in New Hampshire at the state lines. That's about it. Now, interesting fact though is the state troopers here have light blue baby dusty blue colored cars, which is interesting. And the weigh stations, as far as I've heard, they're not that bad. They're mostly always closed, but they're kind of like North Carolina weigh stations, so they don't have portable scale like the rest of the East Coast states. They actually have a scale you roll onto. So that's good. Maine is good at least about that. So far, I like trucking in Maine. I did not like driving to get to Maine, but so far, Maine looks like it's an actually pretty nice state to drive through. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 6 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.